It's super easy to use. To get started, you can name your pokedex, you can choose what types you want to include, and which games you'd like to include, and make it. Immediately you'll see that you have a box view that's generated so that you know exactly where to put everything, and you can choose whether you want to see 2 boxes, 3 boxes, or 4. For each box, you have the standard amount of spaces from a regular Pokemon game, and for each Pokemon you can click on them to see additional information, and critically you can mark whether you've caught one that needs to evolve, whether you've fully caught one, and whether it's in home. You'll notice that there is color coding on the boxes and symbols to help you easily see at a glance whether things are caught, needing to evolve, and whether they're in home. You can also change an entire box all at once. So I could mark this box as being caught and as being in home, and I could mark this box as being needing to evolve and in home. There we go. You also have some filters, so you could show only the ones that you haven't currently caught. That will also filter out the ones that you've caught but need to evolve, as well as the ones that are fully caught. You can also filter to just the ones that are in home, or just the ones that aren't. You'll notice as well, if I scroll all the way through, that we successfully have every single form, and that they're all in the correct order, all the way up to Pecharunt, which is the current latest Pokemon. But you don't have to just have one Pokedex, you can have multiple. I've really been enjoying playing through Legends ZA recently. So let's say I want to do just a standard living dex for Legends ZA. Now this game actually has 2 Pokedexes in it. It has the one for the base game and the one for the Mega Dimension DLC. You can choose to include both or just one. Let's say I want to start off with just the base game because I haven't bought the DLC yet. I can mark some as caught. There's no Pokemon Home support yet, so let's just mark these all as caught, but not put them in home. And maybe I'll say that this one still needs to evolve, just so we've got a bit of variety in the data. If I go back, I can actually edit this Pokedex now and decide, actually, I do want to include the Mega Dimension DLC. If I go back into it now, let's go to 4. You'll see that we now do have all of the additional stuff, and it's kept the state that we had before. Even if you misclick, this will be fine. Let's say we've caught Mankey, and we need to evolve Primeape. Let's edit this. Get rid of the original base game. Just do the DLC. Maybe I've misclicked. Maybe my younger brother has been fiddling on the keys. Whatever. So we've just got the DLC now. And if we go back in and add the base game, it has kept that data that we entered earlier. So with this, you can do whatever you want to do. You can track all sorts of different things. Let's say that you want to get a shiny dex for, I don't know, Legends Arceus. So we got the Hisui dex in there. And we have all of our shiny sprites. Lovely shiny Darkrai. You'll also notice on these little cards that there's sections for how to evolve and where to catch, and some notes. The notes will be filled in with things like which Pokemon you should catch 2 of if you're doing a living dex, and the where to catch and how to evolve, those will come later. This is now a community-wide thing, it's all open source. You'll notice that this one has the Origin Dex flag on it. So if I go and look at one of the Pokemon in there, let's say Pikachu, Origin Dex requirements are here, so we have to catch it in the Kanto region, and here's all of the games that we could viably catch this in. What about one of the special hat Pikachus? Say, I don't know, the Partner Cap. We can only catch that in the Galar region in Shield and Sword, but some of the other hats we can catch in Alola through Sun, Moon, Ultra Moon, and Ultra Sun. It also has all of the forms in the numerical order, which tends to be the typical way I've seen people do this. So you have your Rattata and your Alolan Rattata, your Raticate and your Alolan Raticate, all the way through. Any of them that have got additional forms, those appear later on. So if I can now find one, that would be really helpful. I am thinking of Annihilape. So obviously Annihilape you only can get in Scarlet and Violet, but for an Origin Dex, you have to catch a Mankey in Kanto. And this is filtered by which games you can actually catch it in. So in Gen 1, you can only catch it in Red and Yellow. And in the Let's Go games, you can only catch it in Let's Go Pikachu. This does, of course, all work on mobile as well. So if we pretend that this is a mobile phone, let's say it's an iPhone XR. It's got the standard interface that you'd expect to see. And when you tap on any of these, you get the standard card. You can fiddle with it. These will work as expected. And the Pokedex's screens all work as you would expect as well. There's also a dark mode that you can toggle on and off. And it works quite nicely. Personally, I prefer the light mode for this. But there we go. This is also a progressive web app. So you can install this on your phone to act like a native app. It's very easy on Android. It's a little bit more fiddly with iOS. But that's basically it. If you want to sign up, it is as easy as putting your email and your desired password in there, clicking sign up. You'll then get an email with a link that you just click to confirm your email address and you'll be in. From that point on, you can just click the sign in button here and sign in. And if you've forgotten your password, you can do that as well. We do have a Discord if you want to talk about everything. There's also a GitHub and there's a little bit of information down here. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoy.